This question is asking us to find a function composition, and often the notation can be a little bit confusing here. It says, given that f of x is equal to x squared plus 4x and g of x is equal to x plus 3, what is f of g of x? All right, so we have two different functions. One is f and one is g. And just to make a connection to how this could look in other contexts, we might say something like find f of 2. So find f of 2. And what we would do there is we would replace this x value, f of x is now f of 2, so we would replace x with 2. But what we have is f of g of x. We're going to do the same thing, but instead of replacing x with a value, we're going to replace x with the function g of x. So said differently, everywhere in f that we see in x, we're going to replace that x with the function g of x. So that would look something like this. X squared, but remember we're replacing x with x plus 3, which is g. So x plus 3 squared plus 4 times x, but x again is x plus 3. All right, so that is our setup for f of g of x. Everywhere in f that we saw in x, we replaced it with g of x, which is x plus 3. Now we just need to simplify what we have. We got to be careful here. X plus 3 squared is x plus 3 times x plus 3. So we're multiplying two binomials there. So we would get x squared plus 3x plus another 3x. And then 3 times 3 is 9. And then let's keep going here. Plus, we got to distribute the 4. 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times 3 is 12. Now let's just combine like terms. So x squared, that's the only x squared term. So let's keep that. Now let's look at our x's. 3x plus 3x is 6x. 6x plus 4x is 10x. And then 9 plus 12 is 21. We've simplified, and so now we know that f of g of x is equal to x squared plus 10x plus 21, which we can find in b and c are very similar, so make sure you choose the one with the correct exponents. It's x squared plus 10x plus 21, so our answer is found in choice B.